Tim Tim dot lie. When I was a child in Haiti, there was a sound that made my soul travel. The sound of African guitars every Sunday next to my home, the 57 Prosper 4th Street, Haiti. Father Ledans listened to an African program on the Voice of America. I closed my eyes and simply asked God, one day, let me see that land. I never knew that one day I would not only visit Africa, I would find a family there. God wrote my story differently by marrying a beautiful woman from Yaoundé, Cameroon. He was already making me a child of Africa. Then came my first journey to introduce our children to their grandparents. When the airplane touched the runway, I was no longer looking at just another country. I was discovering a part of my own heart. Today, when I think of Angola, I think of a people whose smiles, warm greetings, hospitality, and love reconnect me with the descendants of my ancestors who were taken to Haiti during slavery. To the people of Angola, wherever you are in the world, close your eyes for just a moment. Can you already hear the market vendors calling out, children laughing in the streets, neighbors greeting each other, the rhythm of everyday life, the ocean breeze along Ilha de Luanda, the sound of music filling every neighborhood. And suddenly, you are no longer in Paris, Montreal, Brussels, Washington, or London. You are already back in Angola. Angola forever. Your name echoes inside our hearts for those still living in the homeland and those watching Africa's sunrise from far away. Today, I simply ask God, give me the strength and health to share the Konpa of my childhood with Angola and all 54 nations of Africa, because our rhythms have always beaten inside the same heart. Angola forever. I love you. I came to share with you the Konpa of my childhood, and I discovered that its heart was already beating very close to Semba. From the breathtaking beauty of Calendula Falls to the winding roads of Serra d'Aleba, the unforgettable landscapes of Miraduro da Lua, the wildlife of Kisama National Park. Every place reminded me that Africa is one family. To every Angolan in Portugal, France, the United States, Canada, Belgium, the United Kingdom, Germany, Switzerland, Italy, and everywhere the red, black, and gold fly, this song belongs to you. Because you may leave Angola, but Angola never leaves your heart. Benguela, where every sunset tells a story. No beach, forever embracing the sea. Wambo, strong and full of hope. Lubango, where mountains touch the sky. Malanja, home of unforgettable beauty. Namibe, where the desert meets the Atlantic. Cabinda, proud and resilient. Every city has its own song. Every village has its own story. Every Angolan carries a piece of the nation in their heart. Tim that lie. When winter becomes too cold, when homesickness squeezes your heart, you listen to the beautiful sounds of Africa. Semba, Kizomba, Kuduro, Rebita, Sukus, High Life, Afrobeat, Amapiano, and then a gentle voice tells you, my child, no matter where life takes you, Angola will never leave you. This song is for those who still live at home, for those who dream of returning, for the parents who are waiting, for the children growing up far from their roots. I thank God and I ask Him for one more blessing. Give me health, give me strength to bring the Konpa of Haiti across all 54 nations of Africa, because our peoples have always danced with the same heart. And as long as I keep singing the name of Angola, its history, its people, its love will never fade. Angola forever. Child, I simply dreamed of hearing African guitars. Today, God has allowed me to hear them, to live them, and this time it is my turn to share the gift that embraces all of Africa, the Konpa of Tim Tim.live. Angola, I love you.